Today I'm going to plant some more wildflowers, and right now I'm just out here pulling a few weeds, but there's the wildflowers we're going to plant today. And look at this bee balm monarda. This is beautiful, but it attracts butterflies. I took a bunch of pictures of butterflies on it last year and made some videos. But I'm going to plant right next to it some butterfly weed, Asepsias tuberosa, and butterfly. This is supposed to be a main sustainer for butterflies. I think they lay their eggs on it, and so I'm going to plant some butterfly weed right here. I get some nice seeds from burpees, and so I'm just preparing the ground. So first loosen up the soil, and there was some weeds growing there, so I'm getting those out of there. And then I just rake it out nice, low, smooth, get the dirt clods and the grass clumps out of there. And I'm just going to broadcast these seeds in here. Just rake it out nice and smooth. Just pick out the grass clumps. Okay, a little patch there, just big enough for one package of seed. And this is the butterfly weed I'm going to sprinkle in there. I'm just going to sprinkle it in there and then lightly rake it over with the rake. And I'm starting now on, I think I'm going to put 3 packages of wildflower seed here. They're slightly different kinds. And so I'm just sprinkling them in this area. I'm just raking it out. I'm not even going to dig it up with a pitchfork first. It's probably loose enough. And I'm just going to rake it out a little bit and then broadcast the seeds over this wide area here. Right there by my sprinkler. There's the 3 packages of wildflower seed I'm going to throw here. And so just open the packages and sprinkle them out and broadcast them. And just rake it out smooth after you put the seeds down. Okay, so this is some marigold seeds I'm going to plant, and I'm going to put those right next to the tomato plant because they're supposed to be good companions. So I just loosen up the soil and rake it out smooth, and then sprinkle the marigold seeds over it. And here I'm going to plant these hollyhock seeds. I've got 3 hollyhock plants that I started last year that I put here, and I got some hollyhock seeds I'm going to put in between them, 2 packages. So I'm going to put 1 package in between. And you might remember a couple days ago we planted a row of zinnias right in front of these hollyhocks. So right here, I'm just loosening up the soil with my pitchfork and raking it out nice and smooth. And I'm just going to sprinkle the seeds on there now. And these seeds are really large, so you don't have to worry about getting them too shallow. It's easier to, you could probably put like maybe a 1/4 inch of soil over them. The bigger the seed, the more soil you want to put over it. So here I am in between the other side of that hollyhock, and just going to plant another package of seeds. So I'm just loosening up the soil, and then next I'll rake it out nice and flat and get the clods to the side, and then just sprinkle the seeds on. and then just rake it out to cover them up. And after all those seeds are planted, now I'm sprinkling that whole entire area, because the more I plant seeds, the more I realize the most important thing is to keep the seeds moist. So I hope that you liked that video, and if you did, can you please subscribe to my channel, like this video? I really like it. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. In this video, we're going to plant butterfly weed, which is a major food source for monarch butterflies and a breeding ground. So just loosen up the soil where you're going to plant the butterfly weed, and then just rake it out smooth. Just make a nice smooth seeding bed. And then just sprinkle the seeds on there, and then rake it out lightly again, and then keep it wet until they germinate. And that's all there is to it. In this video, we're going to plant a wildflower garden in just 1 minute. And so here's how to do that. I've got 3 packages of wildflower seeds here, and the mulched area of the garden. So all you got to do is just rake back the mulch, and that means a nice damp soil, nice and ready to use, and just sprinkle the seeds on there, spreading them around as much as you can. All 3 packages, just sprinkle them all together in the same area, and go back over with your rake and gently rake it in. Don't put any pressure down the rake, just gently, and then just keep it wet until the seeds germinate, and that's all there is to it.